You know, our culture at Property Meld, I think, revolves around three different things. One, we love to hire people that see themselves as doing something much bigger than what they're doing today. Two, are they somebody who's like willing to run at the problem? Are they gritty? Are they tough? Are they gonna figure it out? And three, they're learners. Like, we all have stuff to learn in our roles. So the people here that have those three things tend to be very successful.
We have a fantastic company culture here. We have a collection of individuals that make up Property Meld, and it makes it a beautiful space to come to work every day.
I've never worked for a company where the CEO is walking through the bullpen every day, ramping everybody up for a day of success. And I think that that's a really amazing thing.
So we have four core values. We have agility, which basically means, are you willing to pivot or move around, do what's needed? Integrity, you're just able to just tell the truth on what's happening, good or bad. Humility means that you've always got a white belt mentality on, like you know that you don't know everything. And then fourth is loyalty. Are we loyal to the customer? Not necessarily in what they tell us, but are we loyal to their problems? The customer is not always right, but their problem is always real. And so those are our four core values. And oddly, there's almost been one adopted one, which is grit. Everybody here prides themselves on being very tough and running towards problems.
You have to have grit. Being able to keep going, focus on the good and learn from that experience and excel the next time.
You're the only one that's like in charge of your day. Are you gonna like seize the day and kill it, or are you not going to? What's your energy level? If you don't bring it, every phone call that you make, every interaction that you're talking with the customer, they can feel that. It's a lot of just finding that internal grit and, like I said, seizing the day and seizing the opportunities that have been provided for you.
Property Meld in our atmosphere definitely promotes growth and development by allowing us to ask questions and continually focus on where we want to be and help us get there.
There is absolutely no shortage of this company when somebody has a question of people wanting to answer it, which I think is really cool.
We go through some really hard things and grind out really hard goals, but we also find a space to let our hair down and really regenerate our professional selves by building personal relationships.
There's something around the type of people that legitimately love this and want to be around other versions of themselves. And so when you have that person sat next to another person that's like that, sat next to another person like that, it is incredibly fun.
In my 4 years at Property Meld, I've never woke up thinking, oh my gosh, I don't want to go to work today.
Every day when I show up here, I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to see my colleagues. I'm happy to see everyone that creates this space that we have here. And having this in Rapid City, South Dakota is amazing. And being a South Dakota native and having a place like this that we get to call home and also call work is fantastic to me.
I probably won't go in the video, but we're just really fun. I love working here. It's that simple.